everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. Today's video will be all about what you can do whenever you've selected a different display language on your BiliBili account and you don't know how to get back to your English language setting. So in that case, the process is quite easy. Simply watch the video till the end and follow through the instructions. First of all, go ahead and type in bilibili.tv in the URL box. Now if you have selected a different language settings by accident or whatever the reasons are and you'd like to get back to your English language setting, then there are two different ways you can do from your website. Simply go ahead and find this language setting option at the top of your website and select English from the drop-down menu and click on Translate in order to translate your web page to English. If you want to set up your BiliBili website language preference to English, then you can go ahead and mouse over to your avatar at the top right and select the globe-like icon from where you can choose English as your preferred language setting for your account. So as you can see that you have now successfully changed your display language to English back again from any other different languages. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.